If you want to learn how to cook but don't know where to start, then I'm going to show you. We're going to start with something simple, and I'm going to teach you how to cut an onion today. It doesn't matter the kind of onion you have, the process is the same. Now there are a few ways of doing this. If you notice, there are different layers to the onion, like ogres. You're going to want to either slice straight down, all the way across the onion, or at an angle so as to match up with the layers. Hold it like such, the pinch grip, and wrap your hands around. Your other hand is your guide hand. You want it to be like you're pinching a large pinch of salt with your fingers tucked in. That way you won't chop them off, but you can still use it as a guide. This makes it easy to go all the way across the onion without cutting your hand. Notice how I have cuts all the way through. Next thing you want to do is you want to go this way. This part you have to be careful. Next thing you want to do this is what we get from dicing the onion, going first up and then sideways and then straight down. The more cuts you make, the smaller the onion. Another useful tip, buy you some deli containers. They're great for storing things like onions and make cooking much easier because everything's ready in prepped containers. This one is very easy. You're cutting out all the extra steps and just doing the up and down motion along the side of the onion this way. The size of these are determined by the thinness of your cut or how fine you want them. Of course, you can go finer if you like and get something almost see-through. When you get down to the root end like this, don't throw that bit away. You're gonna want to do this to get the last of it. Give it more cuts and then finish it off. Really get as much off that root as you can. That's less to throw away. You could even save these for stocks, like a vegetable stock. Okay, now say that your onions are coming out a little large and you want them to be a finer dice. This is what you can do. It also works well with things like garlic. One hand on the end of the knife and the other hand in your regular grip. With this. I'm gonna go over one more way to cut an onion, and that's by getting it really small. The way this is gonna work is you're just pressing that layer flat. Helps if you cut it in half again. Press it flat, and then give it strips this way, and then come back and give it strips this way. Again, use your guide hand, keep your fingers tucked, and move it slowly across. Turn it sideways. Cut it finer. Keep your fingers tucked. Like you're pinching a large pinch of salt. And you notice what you get is something significantly smaller than what we had before. So this has been how to cut an onion. Hope you learned something. Hope this helps you get into cooking. See you later.